Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So today, I'm going through my collection and going, oh my gosh, I totally forgot about this. So we're going to see if maybe we can discover new favorites or rediscover old favorites. But I can tell you that most of the time it's discover new favorites because I didn't try stuff. So today what I have found actually is things I had gotten. I had gotten a pure mystery box or mystery bag a while back, and in that I got a brush. I know, I love eyeshadow brushes. I got a mascara because I don't have enough of those. I got an eyeshadow palette. It's a mini eyeshadow palette in the Revolution collection, and a blush. Yay, I got nearly enough to do a whole face. So I've already done my foundation, and you guys may have seen that yesterday, and did my contouring, bronzing, and all right, we're gonna get going. Let me scoot you in. There, that's better. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do eyeshadow. Lord help us, please don't be too powdery. So anyway, I'm gonna go in with a About Face here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go in with About Face, which is right here, and use it as my transition color. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild brush, you know, the fluffy one that I use for everything, just in case it is a little powdery. I did set my eye with, it was an Urban Decay one in Minor Sin, but that's because I had a foil pack. Guys, I'm trying to use up stuff, and you'll see that. That's in tomorrow's video. Or maybe it was in yesterday's video. It's in a video. So I don't know where you guys are because, well, I don't know who's all watching, so, but where I live, we have storms, and we do tests for the storms, just so that way we could, you know, like tornadoes and such. Well, I'm so proud. I am a proud mama. Yeah, so About Face. I like this color for a transition, by the way. So I'm a proud mama, a proud dog mom, saying, hey, my dog, the siren went off, and my dog came and got me, and he was like, Mom, basement now. So proud. When he was a puppy, he was afraid of the basement. So I'm actually going to go in with my pure brush, and I'm going to use the color Formation, which is right next to About Face. There it is. I can see. I actually am wearing contacts today, so I can see. But I'm going to put that in my crease. Oh, that's a lot powdery. See if I can't get some of that. Maybe I should have done my eyes first. Hey, I'm going to go back in and blend with a little more About Face. This is quite pigmented. Alright guys, I think that looks good. I have a mirror down below, so I'm checking myself out. You know, when you're this kind of awesome, that just happens. This is not. Exactly as big as I wanted it. But hey, Life happens, right? So I have this brush. I don't know where I got it. Well, I do know where I got it. I buy a lot of my brushes from wish.com. But I think I'm going to go in with some Superior because I love purple. And I'm hoping it actually is purple. We'll see. But I was going to do that in the outer third. Maybe we'll go in it for up to half. I think I'm gonna get it wet. I'm using the Mario Badescu Aloe, the Rosewater one. Well, that didn't aim very well. It's a good thing I don't use guns. There we go. It's one you gotta build up, but I'm kind of on a time crunch. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Going back in. I'm gonna take my brush in to blend again. Okay. Now let's see. We have a silver and we have a white. I think I'm going to put that under my brow bone, but the silver I'm going to use is called Uproar. And because I do want it to, we're going to see how it works with the dry brush first. And this is the brush I'm using. I am assuming this is another one I got from wish.com because I could. Let's try this wet. It's okay. Going in with my finger now. I think I like it best just a little wet, and then I can go in and with my finger. Sometimes you gotta do a couple different techniques to get exactly what you want. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with the final blend with my Wet n Wild brush. All right, and let's see how we can highlight my lid with Flux. The name of this color is called Flux. Now, if you remember, for those of you who are BoxyCharm subscribers, we got the Soiree Diaries not that long ago. Okay, there's that. But they're so what I was gonna say is we got the Soiree Diaries in the fall. By the way, this is a blush in the color Sassy. I'm going to assume it's extremely pigmented. But, yeah, so holy, it is quite powdery, but I'm sure it's holy heck, that's quite, I'm sure I could go heavier, but yeah, the Soiree Diaries, I was going to say the Soiree Diaries is an eyeshadow palette we got in the fall with our BoxyCharm. Oh my god, is it lovely. It is absolutely lovely. It's nice, warm and neutral colors, and I love it. Okay guys, so one more thing in my drawers that I found that I hadn't used yet is a highlight from Becca. Well, I've used it a couple times. It's Opal. Guys, I totally, I'm gonna go over it. This brush I know I got in my BoxyCharm. It is I believe it is a Luxie 640. If that matters. If it doesn't usually matter to me. Oh, I'm really glad I'm using this brush as opposed to something a little more. All right. Well, guys, I have a ton of mascaras, so I'm just gonna pop one on that I already have. But know that I did get this in a it's like a mystery bag from Pure Cosmetics, and they have them from time to time. So I'm gonna pop those on, and we'll see you again soon. Well, in like a few minutes. All right, bye. Okay, everyone, I'm back. Finished my face. I have a mascara on, and gotta wait for this to dry to wipe it off. But hey, so one of the things I got in my little samples, I got a Hangover RX. It is so cute. So yeah, why not use it, right? So here we go. There we go. Alright guys, just got to put on my lip, which I could do off camera, not a big deal. And just remember, if you like what you see here, like, subscribe, and comment below.